Now, this pretty lady is around 7 years old. Margot is a friendly, quiet and relaxed girl. She's the more independent lady who likes things on her terms. It does take her a little time to build up trust with new people, but once she feels comfortable, she has a very loving and affectionate side and just loves to be around you. She can be a little nervous and jumpy with loud and unknown noises, and she didn't adjust too well to the arrival of the new baby in her previous home, so she would be more suited to a calm and quiet adult-only home where she can enjoy her peace and quiet. She's not so keen on sharing her space, so she would need to be the only cat in your life. Margot just loves to play, and interestingly her favourite toys are string and long pieces of grass which she can play with for hours. We're sure there's someone out there with space in their heart and home to offer a sweet lady like Margot a second chance to be loved and the peaceful home that she's looking for.